हेलो एंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ईच वन ऑफ यू। आज हम जल्दी से ये समझते हैं कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ हमारे लिए जुडिशियल सर्विसेज और अदर एग्जाम्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ इज कंसिस्टेंटली featured as a major subject under the civil law sections in both the preliminary as well as the main stages across various examinations. It covers not only general principles of offer, acceptance, consideration, free consent, but also special contracts like indemnity, guarantee, bailment, pledge, and agency, all of which are essential and frequently tested. Mastering this subject is crucial and very important from the perspective of scoring well in your judicial services as well as other examination. Substantive law papers, which form a significant portion of the total marks, foundation to all other civil laws. Contract law principles serve as a base for understanding other civil law principles. Example, Specific Relief Act, Transfer of Property Act. ये सारे ही एक्ट्स हम तब ज्यादा बेहतर समझ सकते हैं जब हम प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं, which involves agreements, contracts, etc. A strong grasp of the fundamental concepts in contract law ensures better comprehension and application of interconnected statutes. केस लॉ एप्लीकेशन एंड जजमेंट राइटिंग। अगर आपको जज बनना है या आपको जज नहीं बनना है, कोई यूपीएससी से रिलेटेड लॉ रिलेटेड एग्जाम क्रैक करना है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ देम ऑल. The Indian Contract Act is rich with landmark judgments, both Indian as well as English. They interpret the sections related to privity, consideration, frustration of contract, etc. The judiciary heavily revolves around understanding and development of the contract law. तो हुआ ना ये important और बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण subject from the perspective of any law related exam.